So, nicht vergessen, morgen ist der große Tag, da schauen wir uns gemeinsam den Bob Dylan-Film an. Und zur Einstimmung spiele ich euch nur noch mal ganz kurz ein Stück aus seinem wichtigsten Song vor, der morgen in dem Film eine Rolle spielt. Der heißt Like a Rolling Stone. Und da kommt der Vers drin vor. Like a complete unknown. So heißt der Film, Like a Complete Unknown. Also der Song heißt aber Like a Rolling Stone. Der Song hat insgesamt 4 Strophen, das ist mir jetzt aber das ist mir ein bisschen zu lang. Das sind auch ganz schön viel Text, deswegen nur 2 Strophen davon. Aber ihr könnt euch schon mal damit einstimmen. Well, once upon a time you dressed so fine, you threw the bums a dime in your prime, didn't you? Well, people did call, say, beware dog, you're bound to fall. You thought they were all kidding you. You used to laugh about everybody that was hanging out. Now you don't talk so loud. You don't seem so proud about having to be scrounging for your next meal. Well, how does it feel? Well, how does it feel to be on your own, with no direction home, like a complete unknown, like a rolling stone? Now you've gone to the finest schools, all right, Miss Lonely, but you only got juiced in it. Nobody ever told you how to live on the street, but now you have to get used to it. You said you'd never compromise with a mystery tramp, but now you realize he's not selling any alibis. As you stand to the vacuum of his eyes and say, do you want to make a deal? Well, how does it feel? Well, how does it feel to be on your own, with no direction home, like a complete unknown, like a rolling stone?